So I'm going to be in Kerala for the next 3 months. Why, where, what? We'll share that surely for sure, slowly. But as of now, there's going to be a new experience, a new set of life because I'm out of my comfort zone and out of my home. And it's the first time I'm going to stay. I mean, I am staying in a hostel. So yeah, that is also something very. Also, thank you for the love on the previous video. I mean, so many of you all watched and commented. That means a lot itself. So yeah, and that's why we should be back with the new video soon. So yeah, just figuring my things and we should be good. 2nd Jan, early morning, we friends decided that we'll come and just have a beautiful look at this beautiful place that we have nearby called Vandri Lake. So that's where we are right now. And when God was trying to vlog, and it's been ages that I vlogged, so I thought, let's go, give it a shot. Oh, not that tough. So, Godwin, please vlog. Say something.
I'm sorry, I'm right now very speechless. मैं हमेशा speechless ही बोलता हूँ.
The view is amazing.
Godwin is speechless looking at the view. How excited are you to vlog?
I'm excited to vlog. I have spent a lot of money on this, but I don't know.
You just spent a lot more energy.
I don't
Now I have to
know.
spend
No, I know when to start, but I don't know how to talk, and also I'm working on it.
See, you already spoke for 10 seconds.
First vlog will be coming when I go to South Africa.
I think so. It should come. No, don't do O, do boo. It should come right now. FYI, I shouldn't be saying that. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, that's like a more real audience. 2025, 2nd Jan 2025, with the amazing people. Divya was saying, amazing putty. Sandy putty. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Most of the times unplanned trips is the bless nahi best, but this one's that where I had a wish that I have to visit St. Francis Xavier, and it did happen due to some reasons. And later I was just talking with my friends, I want to go, and then some quick decisions led me and my friends to go. So this is that trip that has been done unplanned, and very happy that we have arrived. That's the new look for 2025 Jan. Let's go. Needed a change in life, and that's the whole purpose I did this. So, to new beginnings, to new changes, and to new adventures in life. Let's go 2025. Last 2 minutes of me becoming 28 years old, and there's no plan to celebrate. But my good friends, they want to come over, so the reason to not celebrate my birthday this year is also my aunt passed away recently, so I decided that let's skip this year's celebration. And also every year, one of my best friends, Tilsi Tangachan, always calls me at 12. So, I mean, I know we grow old and birthday does not become a thing. But yeah, always remember Tilsi calling me at 12, so let's see if she calls this time too. See, Tilsi called. I told Tilsi will call. And that's the gang who came for my birthday. Hi guys. But yeah, old tradition continues. So childhood friends, church friends, all are here.
Smuggled 7 coffee beans out of Yemen. 7.
Who? Who smuggled? So Ayushi was giving me some knowledge about how coffee came to India.
So Baba Budan was Baba. He got it in his beard. He got 7 coffee beans in his beard.
Interesting, and that's how we get to have coffee in India, is what Ayushi is
I'm giving gyan.
claiming. But today is a very exciting day because it's my first shoot with my own camera.
Oh, you got a whole camera. It's a birthday gift.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I've been waiting for this day. So,
When you got it?
27th. And I was waiting to vlog. And I'm vlogging. I usually know this is the 5th time, 6th time, 10th time I'm recording you.
I've never seen myself in the video. I've never seen the edit of me.
It has never come out on YouTube, but hopefully no. Let's put it out there. This is going to come cause it's my baby. Also big thanks to Ayushi for taking me to places where I don't think so I would have ever gone, but today is one of those.
You can walk in.
Guys, meet my new subscribers. Yes. Jofin, Rufika, Stelvin, Jennifer, Bundy. Evelyn is the promoter. Need to start again, I guess. And one more subscriber, Wambog.
Hi guys, hi, how are you? Do support Godwin Bhaiya. So he is a good boy, at the same time funny boy. Don't listen to the evil spirit. So
Except the sister.
accept sister. Do accept us because he is really very good.
Godwin channel, 29 years, going to be premium customer in Sarada Matrimony.
Very good. See, even the evil spirit, they come and attack me, but I still support you guys. So I still support Godwin because he's really win my God.
It's the D-Day. It's the day of our commission, and we are heading towards the mass day 10th, final day, and we're excited because we have a pledge and we'll be committed as a missionary.
So it was amazing program. Actually, it's a national leadership training. So this is the real program that have been experienced, and what we have shared, what we have learned from here. It should not be stuck only here. We should proceed ahead. This is the step forward for each one of us to go for a mission.
Let's go. What you are saying?
The things we do or the things we like.
Like, I got restricted to enter this park because I had camera and a tripod. Obviously, maybe next time is a lesson that hide your tripod also. But yeah, we got a pretty dope location, dope shoot, and
With the dope DOP. Godwin Emmanuel. Let's fucking okay, you have to answer that.
like leave all this. Like it's been months, me and Yash planning, and then I just told Yash, I just told him that I don't want to see this unless we are executing. And I guess within 2 days, this is like the first proper execution that we have done. I'm very proud that we did it. And initially, there was a little hesitant to use the camera or no, because I got caught at the entrance and they're like, no camera. But we're like, you gotta do what you gotta do. But very good.
Please say a joke. Divya, please say a joke.
It's behind the camera. I'm just kidding.
That's why we have Divya with us to roast us.
No,
But off camera, she's the one who gets roast.
guys. The view you see in front of you is amazing, but I have a better view.
I love it.
Good save.
Okay, Agnes, what do you have for us? What do you have to say about 2025?
I know, I'm just very happy that I'm here on the second day of 2025. It's just a beautiful way of kind of starting off the year. Yesterday was just
Guys, we are watching from Whoop.
She means to say she's happy she woke up at 5 a.m. She can't believe it.
4 a.m. I didn't even sleep.
Oh, damn, 4
I
a.m.
wouldn't be able to wake up, so I didn't
Slept
sleep.
for 2 hours, yes. Got full sleep.
Now we'll ask Sharon. Sharon,
Yes,
what do you want to say?
it's been a great day till now. Just begun with the sunrise, and I hope the remaining days are going to get even better.
She's the one who's planning this trip.
Just begun.
Hey, how many minutes? Part cut chiya.
Okay, this always should be a vlog.
Hi, so that's how we end. I know I failed in putting the vlog on time, which I had promised, but then later I realized that was an unrealistic thing. But the best part about it is that I have finally taken time, gave it the rawest the way I can I edit this, and I'm happy that I've done this, and the video is out, so you're watching it. So yep, small efforts again. I failed, but I tried is what I'll remember from this vlog, and I know it's not a proper vlog because I just put it raw clips that I wanted to share, and I vlogged and it's there in my photo dump, so I had to put it out. So happy about it, and yeah, small efforts to get back to this because I really love. I don't know why I have a thing for YouTube and vlogs, so I want to do it, and I will be back slowly, one step at a time. And once again, thank you is what I can say, and hoping that this gets better by time, and I'll get to share my story because exciting journey ahead. More 3 months to go. Peace. God will signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, love you and keep creating.